Good day, students. It's nice to have you here again. I hope you're all doing fine, and I hope you've been following the online teaching that we've been doing since this lockdown at home. All right. Today we have a new topic here which says under grammar we have a question tag. All right, question tag. Okay. Now, what is question tag? Now, question tags are phrases in question form. They are what phrases in question form which are asked at the end of a statement. These are what questions that are asked in question what form, which are asked at the end of a statement. All right. Now, the statement here can be what? It's also called what? It's also called sentences. Alright, now the sentence can be what in question form or a declarative sentence. Is that clear? Alright, now here we have auxiliary what verbs are usually used in what in question what tags. Alright, auxiliary verbs. Alright, now what is auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are called helping verbs. They are called helping verbs. Now in constructing question tags, affirmative. Okay, in brackets here we have what's positive. Under word for affirmative means what's positive. Alright, now in constructing question tags, affirmative and negative auxiliary verbs are used. Is that clear? Affirmative or negative auxiliary verbs are used. Now we have examples under affirmative and also in negative. Now example here we have shall. Shall. This is you can use shall here in the affirmative sentences. Alright, well the negative of this shall is what is shan't. 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 Here I have can. Alright, can. Whilst the negative of can is what is can't. 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 Here I have should. Should. And what is shouldn't for the negative. Alright, here we have where, and while the negative of this is what is wearing. We also have more examples. Alright, now remember that the meaning of affirmative is what is sentences or statements written in the positive. Is that clear? Sentences or statements written in what's positive. That's why you have this positive in bracket here. Alright? How about negative? The negative here means what? It means sentences written in the negative. Is that clear? Now, how do you identify a sentence that is written in the negative? You identify it by what? By the word what? Not. That is the N-O-T. Is that clear? Now we'll move further to explain here that note that if the statement or sentence is affirmative, now the question tag is what is negative. Is that clear? Alright. Still talking about what? About question tag. Alright. Now note that if the statement or sentence is affirmative, the question tag is what is negative. Here we have examples 1 to 5. Alright. Number 1 example here says he is going to school. He is going to school. Now this is a positive word sentence or statement. Alright? He is going to school. Now what's the question tag? Isn't he? Remember that if the sentence or statement is positive or affirmative, now the question tag will be what? Negative. Alright? Now sentence 3 here says we were in the room. We were in the room. Now the question tag is what is wearing to. Now remember, you at the end of the question, you write your question mark. That is what indicating the question. Alright. Now sentence 3 here says they have done their homework. They have done their homework. They have done their homework. So their work rather. Okay, now the question tag here is what is haven't they? Haven't they? Now, sentence 4 says, the boy will eat his food. The boy will eat his food. Now, the question tag here is what? Is won't he? Now, remember that all the question tag is gotten from what? From the auxiliary verb. Here, this one is what? An auxiliary verb. This one, an auxiliary verb. That is shall, will. Okay? And the others too. Alright, now, I shall write a what? A letter. I shall write a what? A letter. Now, the question tag is what? Is shan't I? Is what? Shan't I? With the what? With the question mark. Now, also note that if the statement is negative, alright, if the statement is negative, the question tag is what? Is affirmative. Is what? Is affirmative. Affirmative, that is what? In the what? The positive what? Response. Now, I also have what? Examples, sentences 1 to 5. Sentence 1 says, he isn't running. He isn't what? Running. And the question tag what? Is what? Is he? Is he? Now, like I said, now the rules guiding what question tag is what? The first one I said is what? Is if the sentence is in what? Is in positive. Alright, is in positive, like what we have on the board. Now, the question tag will be what? Negative. Now, if the sentences are written in the negative, now the question tag will be what? Positive. Is that clear? Now, question 2 says, we wear it in the room. We wear it what? In the what? Room. Now, the question tag here is what? Where we? Sentence 3 says, she didn't buy a hat. She didn't what? She didn't buy a hat. Now, the question tag is what? Is, did she? Sentence 4 says, the boy won't eat the food. The boy won't eat the food. Now, the question tag is what? Will he? Sentence 5 says, you mustn't go home. You mustn't what? Go home. The question tag is what? Must I? Must I? Now, here we have examples of auxiliary verbs written in affirmative auxiliary and what? The negative what? Auxiliary. Alright? Here is what? Shall. Now, what is the negative of shall? We have what? Shan't. The next one is can. What is negative of can? Is what? Can't. The next one is must. What is the negative of must? Is what? Mustn't. The next one is should. What is the negative of should? Is what? Shouldn't. The next one is what? Are. What is the negative of are? Is what? Aren't. The next one is where. What is negative of where? Is what? Weren't. The next one is could. What is negative of could? Is what? Couldn't. Alright, is what? Couldn't. We also have what? Other auxiliary what? Verbs used in what? In question tag. Alright, using what? In question tag. Now here your assignment is what? Your assignment is in your English studies textbook. Your what? Your English what?